Have you ever tried using an e-ticket to travel by train? You should go to this app called Trip.com to check what is e-ticket and how to use it. Click on trains and then scroll down to the train guide. In the train travel guide, you can find this info about picking up tickets. If you book an e-ticket, it is very user-friendly as you don't need to pick up the paper ticket, which means that you only need to show your phone to the staff at the ticket window to get in. Trip.com offers e-tickets for most routes. For example, if you want to travel from Shanghai to Shenzhen, you can see the word e-ticket at the right bottom corner of each offer. This means that you don't need paper tickets anymore no matter which train you decide to take. Don't miss these great e-tickets and click book now.